Good morning and happy Easter for everybody who celebrate today Sunday Easter, and I'm in Sanur strolling around Tambringan Street. Couldn't make a video last night, wasn't feeling well, so today I have two videos to make, one at morning, one afternoon. But as long as you can watch my videos every single day, that's good. And I'm gonna tell you Tambringan on Sunday morning, maybe because it's Easter or maybe because it's Sunday, it's a little bit busy, which is actually very good, makes me happy to see that. So let's have a little stroll around. At the front we can see Forchetta. Somebody last time asked me how is gelato. Gelato in this place is lovely, but it's closed at morning, but afternoon is open, it's lovely. And also this is the Cafe Smorgas and Consulate Road going to Pantai Karang here, like this one. Cafe Smorgas doing alright, it's open, there are some people even at morning enjoying their time. That's the Swedish cafe, by the way. And of course this is the Sanur vibe on the one main street. Here is the Bamboo Blonde, Swastika and Ramayana Hotel. People, gardeners working, some girls working around time to time. I'm heading now into area of central location of Sanur, which is Bali kiosk, copy kiosk actually, and Hardy's ex-Hardy's shop. For so many things here, many people already strolling, cycling, enjoying their Sunday morning in Sanur. No traffic jam, is totally different. The main city in Sanur is, and Sanur in general, is totally different than any other part of Bali so far. I mean, it's very unique. It is very enjoyable. In general, of course, no, it's not for everybody, but well, a lot of my viewers actually like Sanur. I used to live also in the area of Sanur for the last 5 years, so always good to be here and having a show you around how's the lives going. There's limited parking spaces as always, but the parking spaces are limited everywhere across Bali, not only in Sanur, just lately everywhere. That's the big problem. Hopefully one day they're gonna change it. Bali copy kiosk at the front. Is it open? Of course not. No people today. I don't know why, but maybe because it's Sunday morning, or maybe because it's Easter morning. So people enjoying in the hotels or having a Easter breakfast. That's actually tradition in some countries to having an Easter breakfast. And here you go. That's the Arta Sedana ex-Hardy's supermarket for everybody who have a good memories. So many people asking about this one. It's still open just as Arta Sedana, and it's a little bit quiet inside. I will stop for a while and show you. So the QRP kiosk is at the front. Nobody there. Not today. And the supermarket also here. The Arta Sedana, obviously, right? Not much. Is going on. I'm gonna show you here a little bit. Now they changed the name of this place. This is the hotel and the restaurants recently. It's called the 101. It looks better than it was, refurbished, happy days. Definitely better than it was, so it's very good, at least in my opinion. And this is the Batu Jimbar Cafe parking area and some construction, so many construction everywhere. That's the private parking to Batu Jimbar Cafe, and Batu Jimbar is at the front. However, I don't know if it's busy. Look at this group of the people actually. This is the restaurant named Cork now, and this is the Batu Jimbar Sunday market for everyone who are interested. And actually all of this huge group of people, they are going actually to Sunday market. Check this out. Unbelievable. So happy to see that though. You can have like this one. Very interesting place. Only on Sunday. So at the front of the Aurelia, but there is the Coke. The Coke sounds like this Coke City in the South Island. Looks very nice though. Well, I don't know. Well, this is something very new. Never been inside. Have to try for coffee. I'm pretty sure they're worth it. Something here is open. And of course there is so many new places in Sanur recently. And even this morning many places are open. Okay, sushi place is not open. This one is opening up. Spa, this is the Permata Bank. This is the ATM where you can withdraw 3 million in one transaction, which is actually cool. And there's something new, and Brazil Republic. This is French restaurant, Passagier place. Also open though, very nice. And of course, people strolling around. It's very hot though. I don't need to remind. But this one Look at this bicycle, so cool. So, Bank there, Bajria Republic. I'm not sure if I'm spelling this properly though. Some hotels, some diving center here. Only one big one left actually. Some surfers growing here, so cool. And then you have a barber shop, spa, and of course here is the pharmacy and stuff like this one, so everybody can find something for yourself. All essentials actually, if you are staying in the around here in Tambringan, everything is just in the one place. Morning construction sounds, more and more people coming. But also one thing what I want to tell you today is you may like Sanur or you may don't like Sanur at all. And I totally understand because Sanur is a very specific place and it's not for everybody, obviously. But I know somebody, I have some friends and some viewers recently who used to stay, coming to Bali frequently, staying in various locations across Bali, but never in Sanur. And recently they decided to stay in Sanur. And they love it here, they just simply love it, because this place is the most convenient place you can stay in Bali so far. Because within the few hundred meters, you can have everything here, just literally everything. And simply you don't need to even rent a bike or having a driver or even using the taxis, because just simply you can walk in 5 minutes wherever you want. Coffee shop, market, supermarket, local warung, beach, restaurants, everything is just within 500 meters of walking, especially if you are staying in the area of here, of Jalan Tambringan, everything is just here. So if you're looking for something chilled, laid back atmosphere, within the convenient location, central location, I believe Sanur may work for you. But at the same time, of course, Sanur have no party vibe of any kind. If you're looking for party vibe, definitely Seminyak or Canggu is the best for you. Eventually Uluwatu is. No, you can actually surf, but you have to go from the boat. There's some people doing this, especially right now, as the waves in the west, in Canggu, in Seminyak are not the best. And of course, it's a very specific place, so you can let me know. But if you're looking for relax and you're coming with the family, definitely Sanur is highly recommended. However, you can choose any part of Bali you want for your holiday. Now they have a Bikago, or something like that, the huge rental, what is very legit, and some restaurants here they open. This is at the front of Lagava Hotel, but I don't know if it's successful or not. Brand new, and so many mini markets now in the one location. There is Popular, there is Indomart, there is Alfamart, and then it's TheMonkeys, and then there is the Casablanca bar open on weekends for live music, mostly rock music. And then there's Starbucks, some other restaurants, establishments. And of course, if you ask me, Damian, which is your favorite area in Bali to stay? I'm very neutral to anything, as I'm making videos every single day for you, going every single day to a different part of Bali. I'm totally neutral with that. Currently, I'm living in Denpasar, which I personally don't really like it, but sometimes that's the life. Sanur, I used to live around. It was enjoyable. Used to live in Kerobokan for a while, in Tabanan. Never used to live in Uluwatu. However, I will consider everything. It just depends what you are looking for and what is your expectation. Definitely, I will recommend first to come and visit as many places in Bali as possible. Don't be afraid to visit Sanur or visit Canggu just because you hear it's not nice. You have to feel it by yourself. You may like it, you may don't like it. Then you can eliminate and choose the one your favorite one. Obviously, simple as that. And this is the Wardapura. Actually, this hotel is some sort of government hotel, I guess, I believe. Spa and Swiss Bear Resort, recently refurbished. Happy days, because this hotel was old already, especially during pandemic. And then I will show you a little bit around what's going on here as well. Somebody opened the Lost Ship music bar here with very interesting entrance, but I'm not sure if it's super successful or not. Somebody trying to park here. Many abandoned buildings here around, empty establishments. And then it's Wicked Parrot. Wicked Parrot is Irish bar. Very successful afternoons. Okay, not at morning. Even Irish people don't drinking at morning, so not yet. And some hotels here, obviously. Taxi drivers waiting for you. The freelancer taxi drivers, obviously. Gria Santian hotel from different perspective. Many people actually living. and at the front will be Starbucks. The village, Italian restaurant, this is all restaurants at the front of the Gria Santrian. And of course, Starbucks, legendary American Starbucks here. Some people actually like Starbucks. I know Starbucks, not many people like it, not everybody like it, some people like it. I'm neutral to Starbucks. Starbucks sometimes save my life, especially when I'm travel abroad. So yeah, in Bali I'm casually the visitor of Starbucks, but when I'm traveling pretty frequently, also with the garden here, and that's how does it look like in Sanur today. I'm just gonna tell you, to compare to the previous times, really more and more people strolling around the streets of Sanur. I'm so happy to see that. That's very important as tourism is coming back everywhere, not only in specific areas, but everywhere, including the Sanur. That's happy to see that, just simple as that. They're building some new cafe here, and I nearly forgot, this is my favorite bread basket. How I could forget about this place. I will get inside, gonna have some coffee and pretzel, I think so. So lovely, always busy actually. And that's how does it look like inside the bread basket. You can have a nice breakfast and everything. Sayank is ordering for me the pretzel. She was waiting here with my laptop. Pretzel, yeah, pretzel, and you can have a coffee and many nice beautiful stuff here. And this is my favorite one here, cappuccino and the salted German pretzel. And at the same occasion, I would like to say thank you so much for watching today, listening. Sayank is with me. She was waiting here because it's hot, very hot, right? And keeping eye on my laptop because nowadays I travel with laptop everywhere because no much time to edit and upload internet. There's so much things, but at least you can watch this video today. That's the most important thing. Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching.
Happy Easter and see you tomorrow as always. See ya.
Bye.